Kalonzo criticized President Ruto's State of the Nation address over a rule of law. Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka strongly criticized President William Ruto's recent State of the Nation address, claiming it ignored key issues such as respect for the Constitution and the rule of law. He spoke at a rally in Lunyenya, Malava on Friday, November 21, 2025, during a united opposition gathering in Western Kenya. Kalonzo accused the president of staying silent while state officers actively campaign in ongoing by-election, undermining democratic principles. He also pointed out that the president of the Law Society of Kenya, Faith Odhiambo, resigned from Ruto's panel of experts and compensation of victims of demonstration and public protest because of concern over the president's disregard for legal norms.